Hello, class. My name is McMcCon, and I'll be your new teacher for now. This is my back end. I have a tail. Hope you enjoy. I have a question. Why is the name McMcCaw? My name is McMcCaw because my great-great-great-great-great-great-grandmother thought that would be a lovely name for me. My great-great-great-great-great-great-great-great-great-great-great-great grandmother was named McMcCaw. Miss McCaw. Are you a boy or a girl? I am a goy. What's a goy, dudes? Why did you just fall over? Sorry, dudes. I'm a boy. I mean, a goy. That means I'm half girl, half boy. Whee! Okay, class is dismissed. Bye-bye. Peace out, dudes. Class is now dismissed. We knew that a long time ago. Bye-bye. Fly to the thunder above. Oh yes, I'm here. Purse. Yay. Wonder where he is. Where is that guy? Let's take this over here. Ooh, lovely dinner setup. Oh, here he is. Hello, Prince. Huh? Huh? Oh, hello. Ugh, sorry for that. So, how are you? I'm good. How are you? Swell, very, very swell. Oh, and my name isn't Prince, it's Princess. I thought you were a boy. I am named Princess. My mother was not the best at naming people. My sister's name is Prince, and I'm named Princess. So, yeah. Well, let's eat, I guess. So where are you gonna sit? I'll just move this car, first of all. I'm not eating, I'm drinking from the wherever. Oh, well I better do the same then. Oh, I thought you would eat, well, without me. That's not what you do on dates. Ooh. Well, let's eat then. Okay. I'll move the fire. I set up a bed for you. Oh, why thank you. I thought you were sleeping in it. Oh, no, not that one. It's this one right here. That one's a wonderful bed. The hammock. Well, are we going to sleep next to each other? Not on the same bed, but next to each other? No. Not how proper dates are. Oh, sorry. Oh well, let's just drink. That's good. That's very good. Thank you. You want a popsicle? Sure. Cookie. Mine, no, mine cookie. My cookie. You wanna go? You wanna go? Who are you? Yeah, who are you? Hi, it's a birdie from above. No, really, I'm a birdie from above. Okay, what are you here for? We're just in the middle of fighting over a cookie. I don't think you should fight over a cookie. I'll be right back. Where is she? Where is she? I want to go. I hope she does never come back. Never. Bye-bye. Oh, yum. No, I get the bun. That's all better. Hey, wait a minute. I want to swim in the river first. No. You guys, seriously gotta stop fighting. But really, we don't. Yeah, we don't have to stop fighting if we don't want to. Yes, you do. Now get up. Sorry. What do we do now? I have to go deliver a baby. Now, if you've noticed, I'm the bird that always holds those babies in those little bundles. Really? Cool. Can we meet the next one? Sure, I'll go get him. But he won't be in a bundle because you guys didn't let me get one. Gotta fly. Here comes the baby. There he is. Mama, where's my mama? Mama, oh mama, na. Hi there, little girl. Hi. I'm not a girl, I'm a boy. I'm little Andrew. Ooh, hello. What happened? Baby! Ah! What's that about? Yay, I get to play to myself. You babysit the baby. Bye. What am I supposed to do with a sleeping baby? Kaka? What did I do?